For those who do not know the story of Mr. Himanshu, this young 28-year-old who was so full of life till about a year back had only one hope: to be able to walk again. On the New Year Eve, he met with a terrible accident. All the ligaments in his left leg were broken. The hospital put his leg in plaster. 3 months later, when the plaster was removed, he struggled to walk even few steps with the help of crutches, and this made his life miserable. He could not imagine a life on wheelchair, and this thought sent him into deep depression. He lost his job, and there was darkness all around. 9 months after the surgery, one friend told him about Dr. Praveen Tittal, who is senior arthroscopic surgeon at Fortis Hospital, Gurgaon. He contacted Dr. Tittal, and his only question to the doctor was whether I will be able to walk again. Arthroscopic surgery to repair the broken ligaments was done in 2 stages, and today, 6 months after the surgery, Himanshu is sharing his own story.
मेरा नाम हिमांशु शर्मा है। एक रोड एक्सीडेंट में मेरे घुटने की इंजरी हुई थी, जिसमें मेरे सारे लिगामेंट ACL, PCL, PLC सारे लिगामेंट टूट गए थे। शुरू में मैं किसी हॉस्पिटल में गया था। वहाँ पे डॉक्टर्स ने मेरा पाँव में प्लास्टर लगा दिया और 3 महीने के प्लास्टर के बाद भी मैं चल नहीं पाया। प्लास्टर लगाने के बाद भी मेरा पाँव जब सही नहीं हुआ, उसके बाद मैं 6 महीने के तक डिप्रेशन में चला गया और मुझे खुद को ऐसा लगता था कि शायद मैं कभी चल भी पाऊँगा। इसी वजह से मेरी जॉब भी चली गई, कोई फैमिली सपोर्ट भी नहीं था और मैं खुद को डिप्रेशन में फील कर रहा था। उसके बाद मुझे डॉक्टर प्रवीण तित्तल का पता चला और उन्होंने मेरे पाँव का ऑपरेशन किया, पाँव के लिगामेंट का ऑपरेशन किया और उसके 6 महीने बाद अब मैं आज दौड़ भी लगा सकता हूँ और रनिंग भी कर सकता हूँ और साथ ही साथ आज मैं अपनी जॉब पे भी वापस हूँ।
When Himanshu came to Fortis Hospital, his condition was so bad he could barely walk on his own. Dr. Tittal examined his knee and found lots of laxity because all the ligaments in it were broken. An MRI was done which confirmed the diagnosis.
So he is a 28-year-old young chap who had a terrible road traffic accident on eve of New Year. He presented to me around 6 months after the injury, and for last 6 months he was walking with the crutches. So we got his MRI done, and his MRI showed complete tear of all the ligaments of knee joint, including ACL, PCL, PLC, both the menisci, including medial meniscus root avulsion. He was planned for staged procedure. His intra-articular and extra-articular ligaments were repaired and reconstructed in 2 different stages. And within 3 months of exercise and rehabilitation, he started walking normally. And after 6 months, he was able to run and was able to do all his activities of daily living. So before surgery, he was under a lot of depression. He lost his job. And he had just one question for me, whether I'll be able to walk again normally or not. And I feel really happy for him when I see him running and doing all his activities of daily living normally. So these injuries, although very serious injuries to any joint, but if you take a timely advice, these are all treatable injuries which can be managed and patient can have a normal life.
Today, 6 months after the surgery, Himanshu can not only walk, but the treatment that he got by Dr. Praveen Tittal and his team at Fortis Hospital has made him capable to climb the stairs of success. There is light once again in his life.